There. You guys saying hello? Now you see the camera. You guys were there. Look, there's your mom.
Hey, what's up with that? Poke in my eye.
Say hi. You guys. Hi. You say hi to your families. Oh, gentle. Gentle with the hands. Gentle with the hands. Good job, guys.
You see the camera? Where are you looking, Reed?
Here, look this way.
There's Maya.
There's your Maya girl. Hello. Hello, Reed. Talking. Hi. Yes. Oh, this melts your heart. Hi. Gentle. Good job. Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's your friend Reed, Maya. Yeah. Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is it frustrating? Oh, yeah.
What would you like to see happen, Maya girl? What would you like to see happen?
That's your friend Reed. Huh?
Are you frustrated? A little bit? Want to sit?
A little tired, maybe. You're saying I'm feeling tired.
Tired, but I still like it, kind of.
Hi. The monkey, he got drunk and fell on the elephant's trunk. The monkey sneezed, achoo, and fell on his knees, kerplunk. And that was the end of the monk, and that was the end of the monk.
All right. Well, we got something.